Dear educators and students, we are proud to launch the world's first software to train the future scientists and engineers in technical communication skills with the help of expert virtual tutors. Introducing Advanced Communication Skills for Engineering and Science Students. Abbreviated as ACSESS, with an S here. The software has been developed by Enligence Technology Labs. The website is skill2030.com. Let us look at some of the salient features that make ACSESS software unique. ACSESS provides intelligent virtual tutors. So, you get the feeling that you are being privately tutored by world-class teachers. It is self-paced learning software. You can use it to learn on your own anywhere, anytime, directly by interacting with your virtual tutors, and get automatic scores, and monitor your progress. It runs on various platforms. It is a Chrome-based, cloud-hosted, web application. So, you can use it on smartphones Android or Apple, tablet PC, laptop, or desktop PC. All you need is a Chrome web browser, and internet connectivity. The main focus is on technical communications in English, which is essential for science, engineering, and polytechnic students. It trains in listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills through 7 types of activities to develop your overall proficiency. We put an extra emphasis on verbal skills, because many students are weak in it. ACSESS has over 50 lessons, 8,000 scientific and technical terms with correct pronunciations, and their usage in over 2,000 important technical sentences and paragraphs with audio in proper English pronunciation, accent, intonation, and rhythm. Customizable courses. The lessons of different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So, depending on your requirements, you can select the lessons and custom design a course. It is perfectly suited for a 1-semester course, which can take your communication skills from a beginner to an advanced level. In addition to training you in technical communication skills, the lessons give you general knowledge in all major branches of science and engineering, interdisciplinary fields, from basics to emerging technologies. It will make you think like a scientist and engineer, also give you many innovative project ideas. The contents of the lessons are unparalleled. These have been prepared by international experts from industries and academia. Engineers, scientists, and linguists from the United States of America, Europe, and India. Experts who know what sort of communication skills the employers expect from the potential employees. ACSESS courses include practical activities such as group discussions, brainstorming sessions, and technical presentations. The job interview training course is ideally suited for the 3rd and 4th year students who are preparing for internships and jobs in industries. It trains in realistic face-to-face, or video interviews, it boosts your confidence, and prepares you for the HR interviews as well as technical interviews for various disciplines. In essence, just this one course will significantly enhance the students' skills for employability, and help them excel in their career. Our goal is to train 10 million students each year to make them ready for employment in modern industries. Please join hands with us.